everybody. Today I want to talk about putting together a COVID-19 care kit. Not for now, but for the possibility that you might need something in the future. Now, everything's coming back into the stores. This is the time to get it. No need to hoard it. So let's talk about what we want to put in our kit. Now, you can put it in a plastic box. You can put it in a regular box, whatever works for you. Just label it and don't put it in the garage. Far too hot for it. Now, you're wanting to get some wipes, so pick up a few packages of wipes, a couple bottles of disinfecting spray, and make sure it's a good quality one. Pick up some hydrogen peroxide, because straight hydrogen peroxide sprayed on any hard surfaces and allowed to dry on there will kill the coronavirus 100%. Rubbing alcohol, we definitely want to get that, needs to be 70% or higher. Now, it goes up to about 91%. Look for it in any of the stores and have a couple of bottles of that. And now, this is nothing that you wouldn't use normally, so you're not going to waste your money. Now, you're going to want some bleach. Now, remember, it only takes 4 teaspoons of bleach to a quart of water to disinfect with 2 cups. So, just get 1 container of bleach. You don't need gallons and gallons of bleach, I guarantee you. Rubber gloves. Now, I picked these up at the warehouse store, and they come in a box of 2. Lots of gloves are here for you. Now, how about face masks? Now, I know some of you are saying, you know what, I don't wear face masks, but there are certain areas where you have to have them on. Or if you're around someone who's immune depressed, you're going to want to wear them. These, again, I picked up at the warehouse store. There's 50 in here, and they were very reasonable. You're going to want your hand sanitizer. Now, that needs to be at 70% alcohol in it or above. So check those labels, because these cute little bottles that we all put in our purses are not 70% alcohol. Therefore, they will not work for the coronavirus. And pick up some hand soap. Pump sprays are great for it. And I got some at the dollar store. So you can pick up a lot of them very cheaply. And I like to keep Dr. Bronner's on hand. It's a Castile soap. You can use it for bathing, shampoo, cleaning, carpet cleaning. You can use this for anything. It will harm nothing. And it's heavily concentrated. So this bottle would make up probably 6 gallons of cleaner. So remember to look for that at grocery stores and hardware stores. Pick up a large container of dish soap, some laundry detergent, and of course you can pick up the toilet paper, but really you don't need 700 rolls. A few boxes of tissue, and then the other thing I like to remember, especially if you have kids, pick up some games for the kids to play, maybe some workbooks. Now, I got that one at Walmart, and they're very reasonably priced. And if you've got games, talk to your neighbors and that, and trade out your games. So this is everything you need to know about putting together a coronavirus care kit. Check me out at queenofclean.com, on Facebook and Instagram at Real Queen of Clean. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.